In this video, we're going to completely remove NinjaTrader and put a nice fresh NinjaTrader back onto your computer. You might want to do that if you're having an error that just won't go away no matter what you do. So let's start by shutting down NinjaTrader and go to your My Documents folder. You go Start, My Documents, and find your NinjaTrader folder. The first thing we're going to do is rename it. And in renaming it, what we're actually doing is creating a backup of all of your settings. Start by putting in the year, the month, and the day like this. And when you press enter, it'll go up to the top. So now you have your backup. It's at the top, it's easy to find, and it's ordered by the date. The next step is to uninstall NinjaTrader. To uninstall NinjaTrader, go to your control panel, click uninstall a program, and then up here in the search box at the top right, just type in Ninja. You will see our toolkit installer, which you can leave alone. Click NinjaTrader itself and press uninstall. Close control panel and go to C drive, program files x86, look for NinjaTrader and delete this one. Now you have your computer with NinjaTrader completely removed. It's gone from program files and it's gone from My Documents because you renamed it. Next thing to do is download a fresh version of NinjaTrader. So you go to ninjatrader.com and you follow their links to download it. Where is that? Maybe here on platform. And download now. So fill out these details and click the download button. Once it's downloaded, click run and let it do its install. The next step is to open two versions of Windows Explorer, one on the left and one on the right. In the one on the left, find your backup NinjaTrader folder and open it. In the one on the right, find your new fresh NinjaTrader folder and open that. On the left, you'll find config.xml. Copy this file, go over to here, and click paste. On the left, go into your DB folder, this one here, DB. Find ninjatrader.sdf, right click and copy, and go to the right hand side, click DB and paste it. Now it's time to start NinjaTrader. Because you've copied in your old config file, NinjaTrader will start with an error which we're going to clear. So just press OK, NinjaTrader will exit, and then you restart NinjaTrader again. Let's go ahead and clear those errors so that NinjaTrader will run properly. Click Tools, and then Edit NinjaScript, and then Indicator. Any of these will do. This is the compile button here. When you click it, you'll get some errors, and the errors tell you what you need to do. This one says it can't find just as soon as the tooltip comes up, it can't find at.ninjatrader.dll. So I right click here in the text, I click references, I find at.ninjatrader.dll, click delete, and OK. Now the other error is ApexInvesting.dll. Go to references, find it, and delete it. Now it's quite likely that you will have more than 2, maybe 5, 6 errors here in this list, because you probably installed indicators from other companies in the past. So once you've removed all of them, go up to the top, click compile, and it should now compile without any errors, which mine did. The next step is to shut down NinjaTrader and run the toolkit installer. So I come over here, start my toolkit installer, and I just install the most recent version. Okay, done. Now I can start NinjaTrader and confirm that it's all working. It should run completely without errors this time. I can connect to my old data connections. They're in here because we copied the config file. So by copying the config file, we saved ourselves a lot of work manually entering in the connection information. Open a new chart. And that will go nicely. The last thing that you want to do now is restore all of your custom chart templates and workspaces. Luckily, that's nice and easy to do as well. So we can leave NinjaTrader running while we're doing this. We just go back to the basic NinjaTrader folder on each side. So this is your old one with all of your saved custom stuff, and on the right is your new one. So on the left we go to Workspaces, and I don't have any, but in your computer on the left there will be probably a bunch of custom workspaces that you saved. So I'm going to pretend that this is mine, and I'm going to go copy, take it over to the right, go to Workspaces, and just paste it in. So that will restore all of your custom workspaces, and we're going to do the same now with chart templates. So go back here, find templates, and then chart, and do the same on the right, NinjaTrader, templates, and chart. Now you'll find your custom chart templates. Let's pretend this is my custom chart template. I copy it and I paste it in. Now if your custom chart templates have ApexInvesting stuff on them, they're going to work. But if they have indicators from other companies, they're not going to work until you install those indicators from the other companies. Voila, NinjaTrader is good.